Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the sounds and vibration option and select it. Here, scroll down and find the option called vibration and then tap on it. And right here we can change a few things. We can select the vibration duration and the vibration intensity. So select the options you like, for example, long or short duration, and then light intensity or strong. So select the ones you like, and once you're done, you can press the power button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.